All right, I'm going to make this short video here to talk a little bit about how to use kind of a unique and underused part of Google Docs, and that is the drawings. Be able to insert drawings into this. And I think this is a great way as a teacher as to insert graphs or specific images or diagrams I'm trying to add into this. But you can do all kinds of things if you want to do special text that maybe is vertical, or kind of if you're trying to draw a picture that has labels to it. I just want to show you some simple functions to it and how you can use it. You can insert it kind of wherever you need to. So if I have, text here, and then I want to draw a picture, and I want to kind of add a picture here between these two areas, I'm just going to add a drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to go to Drawing. And what it does is it gives me kind of this play space here. Anything I put into this area here will go into that spot onto my Google Docs, and it will count as like a single image. So I can do a lot of different stuff here. It looks very simple, which is actually what makes it so great. It's very free to use. If I wanted to insert another picture, I can insert a picture that maybe I've downloaded before. So I could say I want to choose an image, and I can upload it into there. And then I can use that as part of what I want to draw with. Again, no matter where I put it in the space, it's all going to go there. I could resize it, to use different sizes here. I could add different arrows and lines. So let's say I wanted to say label. I want to label this part right here. All right, and then I can move the shape. I can adjust its size for arrows. I can make it a very thick arrow. And it's got these drawing's got these grid lines here, so I can make it really long here. I could just add some smaller arrows. I could copy. Let's make that a little bit smaller. I could copy and paste them, and so that I could just kind of keep going. I'm just using for my Apple Command or Apple C or Command C and Command V for copy and paste. I could do a bunch of stuff. I could change the color of the lines. I wanted to make it a little bit more unique. I could add specific shapes if I wanted to. I want to add an emoji here, a little smiley face. I can add specific text. I could change the size of that, the font of that text. I could change its size. No matter what I do, I can basically add and move all these things in here. And when I'm ready to kind of share the picture I need to share, I'm just going to hit save and close, and we have this here. When you have this image in here, there's a couple things you can kind of work with. First of all, I just got to click on it at any time. I can edit it, go right back in. I actually wanted this picture right here. And there we go. My preference, personally, is to use the wrapped text version with zero margin, because then that way it gives me a little bit more flexibility about where to move the picture. I can move it over here better. When it's an inline, it really sticks to that left margin there. So I really recommend doing that, but you can kind of play with around at that point. Drawing is just a great tool that gives you this open canvas that you can add extra pictures, text, shapes, different kinds of lines, just a lot of different things that you can do. You can insert more specific things. You can download it as a PDF. Gives you lots of extra things to do. That's very underused. I feel it's extremely valuable. All right. Thank you very much, and good luck.